Imagine an AI assistant that not only listens but also sees and understands your tasks. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's here now with Microsoft's latest Copilot update. Microsoft has just rolled out a massive overhaul of its Copilot, and it's packed with features that are set to revolutionize the way we interact with our devices and boost our productivity like never before. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into these groundbreaking updates. So, what's the buzz all about? Microsoft has always been a trailblazer in integrating AI into our daily workflows, but with these latest enhancements to Copilot, they've truly outdone themselves. These aren't just minor tweaks or incremental updates. We're talking about transformative features that make Copilot more intuitive, powerful, and seamlessly integrated into your daily tasks. Let's unpack each of these exciting new features and explore how they can make a real difference in your life. Voice and Vision capabilities. First up, let's delve into the new Voice and Vision capabilities. Imagine being able to interact with your computer just as naturally as you would with a colleague or friend. With Copilot's voice interactions, this is now a reality. You can now perform tasks effortlessly using natural conversational language. For instance, if you're in the middle of cooking and remember you need to send an important email, you can simply tell Copilot, "Hey, draft an email to Sarah about the meeting agenda," and it will compose the email for you, complete with suggestions and proper formatting. But that's just scratching the surface. Vision feature is like giving Copilot a pair of eyes that can interpret and understand the content on your screen. Imagine you're shopping online and looking at a product. Copilot can pull up reviews, price comparisons, or alternative options without you having to open a new tab. It's like having a smart assistant that proactively offers help based on what you're viewing, making your online experience smoother and more efficient. Think deeper functionality. Next, let's talk about the Think Deeper functionality. This feature takes Copilot's capabilities to a whole new level by enabling it to tackle complex and multifaceted tasks. Whether you're dealing with intricate math problems, detailed data analysis, or planning a multifaceted project, Copilot is there to assist. For example, suppose you're working on a business proposal that requires market analysis, budget forecasting, and strategic planning. Copilot can help you gather relevant market data, create financial models, and even suggest strategic approaches based on current industry trends. It doesn't just provide surface-level assistance, it dives deep into the complexities of your task, offering insights and solutions that can save you hours of work. In educational settings, students can benefit immensely from this feature. Struggling with a challenging calculus problem? Copilot can guide you through each step, offering explanations and ensuring you understand the underlying concept. It's like having a tutor available anytime you need help. 3. Copilot plus PCs. Enhancements. For those using Copilot plus PCs, there are some particularly exciting enhancements designed to make your workflow more seamless than ever before. One of these is the Recall feature. Have you ever found yourself thinking, "What was that document I was working on last Tuesday?" Or, "How did I adjust those settings last time?" With Recall, Copilot captures snapshots of your activities, allowing you to effortlessly revisit and reference previous tasks. This means you can pick up right where you left off without missing a beat. Microsoft 365 Suite has been significantly expanded, providing AI-driven assistance across all your favorite applications: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. This deep integration means that Copilot is always accessible, no matter which application you're using, ready to enhance your productivity. In Word, Copilot can help you craft compelling documents by suggesting content, improving grammar, and even optimizing the structure of your writing. If you're drafting a report, Copilot can recommend relevant data to include, suggest headings, and ensure that your content flows logically. When it comes to PowerPoint, creating engaging presentations is a breeze with Copilot's help. It can suggest design themes, recommend multimedia content, and even assist with slide transitions and animations. Need to present quarterly results? Copilot can help you highlight key metrics and visualize data in a way that captures your audience's attention. In Outlook, managing your inbox and schedule is more efficient than ever. Copilot can prioritize your emails, draft responses, and even suggest meeting times based on your availability and preferences. It learns from your habits, ensuring that your communications are timely and effective. Privacy and security measures. With all these advanced features, it's natural to have concerns about privacy and security. Microsoft has made it clear that protecting your data is a top priority. All sessions involving Copilot Vision and other AI features are entirely opt-in, giving you full control over your experience. You decide when and how these features are activated, Moreover, Microsoft has implemented stringent measures to ensure that your data remains confidential. No information from your interactions with Copilot is stored or used for training purposes after a session concludes. This means you can use Copilot's features with confidence, knowing that your personal and professional information is secure. It's designed to adapt to your unique workflow, learning from your interactions to provide personalized assistance that grows more intuitive over time. What are your thoughts on Microsoft's latest Copilot updates? Share your insights in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more straightforward updates on the latest in AI.